Okay, so I am going to be showing you how to create or do your assignment with your Google Slides. So you can see that the directions that are here in this area say create a slide for each problem. You will be completing page 621, problems 3 through 11 on these slides. So all I have given you is the main slide that has the fraction bars on it. You're going to be using these fraction bars to model each of the problems for 3 through 11. So the first thing that I need to do is add a slide. So I'm going to come over here to this, and I want the blank slide that's at the bottom. So I'm going to add a blank slide and a text box. And this is, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. This is problem number 3, and it is 1/6 plus 1/6 equals. So 1/6 plus 1/6. So I need to bring some fraction bars onto this. So I am going to go back to slide 1, and I need a 1/6. So I'm going to click on the 1/6. and get the blue squares all around it. Now I can either press Control C to copy, or I can come up, if that does not work, and do Edit, Copy. And then I'm going to come back to slide number 2, and I'm going to do either Control V or Edit, Paste. And since I need 1/6, and then I'm going to put a text box here. Oh, well, I'm doing modeling 1/6. Oops, stop it. Sorry. I'm going to bring it up here. And plus 1/6. So I have 1/6 here plus one more sixth. I'm going to edit and paste another one. So what I have here is 1/6 plus 1/6, and that equals 2/6, and I need to show it there. Now I said one slide per, and as I'm modeling this, I think that we can probably do more than one on each slide, so I'll do number 4 here. And number 4 is, let me get a space there, 5/8 plus 3/8 equals, and that's really small, so I'm going to highlight that. I don't want it that small. Okay, you need to make it big enough for me to see with my old eyes, you guys. So I'm actually going to make that one a little bit bigger. So this time you can see my denominator is 8, and so I need to go back to slide 1, and this time I need eighths. So I'm going to click on the eighths till I have the square, and I am going to do Edit, Copy, or Control C, and come back here on slide 2, and I need 5 of them. So I'm going to do Control or Edit, Paste, or Control V, and I need 5 of those. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to move them here. So here is 5/8. We'll move them in line here. So there's 5/8, and I need to do plus 3/8, which means I need 3 more eighths. So I will come up and do 1, 2. Oops, I've deleted 1, 2, 3. And so there's 5/8 plus 3/8. And then all together, when I add them up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8/8, or hopefully you notice that 8/8 is 1 whole. Now, if I get an answer that equals 1 whole, I need to go back to slide 1 and grab a 1 whole just to show that they're equivalent. So I'm going to grab that 1 whole, and I'm going to come do Edit, Copy, and I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to do Edit, Paste, and I just want to show that these are equivalent, that 8/8 is the same size as 1 whole. So I was able to do 3 and 4 on one slide, and what I would do is, I don't have any more room on this slide, so I would go grab another slide, and I would continue on and do number 5 and 6, probably 5 and 6 on one slide, and then 7 and 8, and then 9 and 10, and maybe 11 on the last one. So it depends on what problems you have, but you will always go back to slide 1, copy and paste the fraction piece that you need onto the following slide to model each of the problems for 3 through 11. Good luck.